Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to pin ChatGPT chats in place. So if you have multiple ChatGPT chats and you want to pin some of them on top so you can find them easily, all you have to do is on desktop, either you have to hover on top of your chat and here you're going to see a pin. You are going to press this pin and that's pretty much it. That's how you can pin a chat in the top of your list. Or you can access the chat, you can click on the three dots on the top right hand side, and here you will be able to select pin this chat. In this case, we already pinned it, so from here we can unpin. On mobile, this is exactly the way you do it. You access the chat, you click on the top right hand side, the three dots, you select pin the chat, and that's it. That's how easy it is to pin a chat in ChatGPT. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.